Hello guys! Welcome to my cooking series. Today we will be making my mom's childhood favorite jam, guava jam.
Okay.
So I have my jam here, guava,
Okay.
and we will slice it.
Okay.
My mommy will slice it for me.
Move the head
Yes.
and the bottom of the banana. Guava. Okay. And then this.
Transfer the guava juice into guava fruit. The guava fruit into this pan. Add water into our guava water. Guava fruit.
This is finished.
30 minutes finished. Now let's transfer it into a so all the water will be gone. Of sugar.
And then
Lemon juice.
continue stirring until it becomes thick.
Now it is getting thicker.
Continue stirring. By the way, we added a few drops of red color.
It's boiling. And I think it's almost cooked.
So the texture should be like honey.
Yes.
So in a few moments, we will remove this from the fire and transfer to a clean bowl.
Wow. Clean bowl. Wow. We transferred it into a clean bowl.
So wait for it to
Hear that sound?
cool.
It smells so good. Also. They're smoky.